Part 2 of our video, guys. Somebody accidentally hit the wrong button. And I don't know how to edit to add a bunch of videos together, so 2 in one day. We have couscous going. We have cut broccoli. You have to wash that now that it's in your mouth. Is it tasty?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I am cutting shallots.
I love the sauce.
So, we have...
So I'm going to tell you a joke.
Okay.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
Because.
Oh, that's a good one. Tell me another chicken joke.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
To get to the idiot's house.
Oh, okay.
Knock, knock.
Oh, we're going to do another joke? Cool. Who's there?
Chicken.
Oh, man.
The chicken's part of the idiot one.
Yeah, from the other joke.
Mm-hmm.
You're silly.
I have a little dash. I'm going to show you what Mom's doing. That's very cool. I'm going to show you what Mom's doing.
All right.
Mom, cut up the thing. Those are our broccoli.
All right. Okay, it says to cut the thick stalk out of the kale, and then cut up into bite size, and then mince chives. All right, hit pause.
We'll see you later, and we're gonna pause the.
All right, couscous is all done. So it's supposed to show them. Can you grab the phone and bring it over here?
I'm a bit taller from a minute ago. That's what it looks like.
So all
It
the
looks
juice is
so cool.
really in there, and then it had us cut broccoli, put it on there. I'm gonna throw olive oil on it, and then it says cut your chives and your kale and your shallots. And now it says place broccoli in a lightly oiled lined pan, drizzle with cooking oil, stir to coat, spread into a single layer, roast for 8 minutes. Okay. Okay, so first things first, a little bit of olive oil in the couscous. Doesn't say how much, it just says a drizzle. So a drizzle in there. Hey, Holly, get out of the picture. Show them what we're doing.
So
Just to keep everything separated from getting
we're gonna
gooey.
add this. I am.
I just added it.
What?
You weren't watching, I'm sorry.
Okay.
And then Mom's gonna add it to this, because when they say cooking oil, I hear olive oil.
Mommy, can I? Let me do that one. Wait. Can I do this?
You can salt and pepper. Come over here and salt and pepper this.
Can I
That's
do
what it
this
says
too?
Will you come stand right here?
Where's that salt and pepper?
Say drizzle, drizzle. Say dash,
Drizzle,
dash,
drizzle.
dash. Just like 3 dashes. Poof, poof, poof.
1, 2, 3.
Now this one.
2, 3, 4. Because on these beats got
Just
two.
go shh. All right, what else are we doing? We'll be back. Okay, broccoli's ready. I'm sure she put plenty of salt. That's her favorite. Into the oven. Watch your face, okay? For 8 minutes. Where's our... We'll be back. All right, the next step is boneless pork chops.
Can I do the hammer?
Listen, it doesn't say it needs hammered. It says it needs patted dry with a paper towel. Can you handle that?
Yeah.
Okay. This is super sanitary. We're gonna lay it on the countertop. Pull your arm sleeves up over your elbow. Okay.
Way over your elbow or just over your
Right there.
elbow?
That's good. And now, okay, we're just diving right in. This is paper towel.
I want to feel it so
Pat it
bad.
dry. Pat, pat, pat. Pat the other side.
Like it. That's so of those camera things that like show you like what you're doing upside down. So we just do it. And we also show you what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So I'm laying it down and then I'm patting on it. That.
No.
Now I just got my hands greasy. I'm trying my hands.
Okay.
My hands are greasy.
You have to wash your hands. Well, we gotta season it and stuff. So, did you flip it and do both sides?
Yep. This side's more greasy. This side isn't really that greasy.
What? Stop. Just like that. Now let's kick it out of there. Thank you. All right. Dirty hands. It says, put it down. It's raw meat, Holly. That's dangerous, okay?
That means it's dangerous for your hands.
Yeah. Okay.
But I did not know that.
That's okay. So it says to season with how many teaspoons? 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. So
Just realized something. We're going to eat raw meat.
we're gonna cook it, which makes it not raw anymore.
Okay.
Okay, so
Oh yeah, I forgot that part.
sprinkle that on that one. Spread that around on it. I'll put the sprinkles on here. Two teaspoons seems like a lot, but okay. Got it all in there? Okay, now I'm gonna show you a quick trick. Lift up, go like this and push it down. Okay, now watch. Put this here, and put this here, and do it again.
Oh, that big cold.
Okay, now we're gonna set it here. I'm gonna wash my hands. You're gonna keep messing with me.
That's
so.
Ezra right there.
Get out of here, boy.
He likes spying on us.
He likes to cook too sometimes. Okay. Now it says salt and pepper, so let me do that. Lift your hands.
One, two.
No, because you have meat hands and I just washed.
I'm gonna
Mix
wash.
it. No, mix it in there real good. See? Pepper. Push it in. Pat, pat, pat. Okay. It says heat 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. I'll move it over here. And then, that's enough. Add pork to here, and we're gonna sear it for 2 to 3 minutes. So you ready?
Can I wash?
Hang on, you have to pick that meat up and put it right here.
It's itchy.
It's itchy.
Yes. Okay.
Set it in there. Perfect. Put it on the other side.
I know how to do this. I
You
did
do.
that 100 times.
Step down and wash your hands. We'll be back. 2 to 3 minutes each side.
Right now I'm gonna flip it and I'm gonna show you guys. Ah! Mama, can you hold the camera towards the
You
pan?
can see. So you're gonna hold this.
Let me try myself, okay? Can I try
Nope,
myself?
I'm done. You gotta hold the pan. These are beautiful.
Did it myself!
Another 2 or 3 minutes. See her beautifully seared. She's doing great.
For the first time I've never done that in my life. I've never done that in my life. The first time ever doing that. Yeah, right there. Okay. What is it?
You're going to step it back a little bit because that's going to crackle and pop. Did we pause it? No. We'll be back. Okay. Well, he's just watching a basketball game. It says to pull our... You'll have to move, baby. All the way down. Pull our broccoli out. Gotta let the heat kind of come out before I put my face up to it.
Broccoli's at.
Yep.
Ow.
That's enough of
Okay. Ooh cha cha cha, ooh cha cha cha, ooh cha cha cha, ooh cha cha
that.
cha.
Gonna toss the broccoli together.
Can I try?
Yeah. Barry, stop it. Barry's in trouble because I let him in from going potty
And then he peed.
and then he walked in and peed. So Mom's not happy.
A little happy.
Nope, not happy at all.
Not happy about Barry, but happy like we're doing this.
Oh yeah, happy with life. Life is great. All right, now you're gonna kind of shake them out, make them kind of flat so they're not in a pile.
Wait, let me try.
Okay. Oh, that looks good. Man, you're a really good cook. And so it says...
I learned from my cooking videos.
Oh, okay. Mom hasn't ever taught you anything. It says bake 6 to 8 minutes until everything is tender.
But you learned me, but you're teaching me how to read.
How long did it say? Do you remember what I just said?
No.
6 to 8 minutes. Take a step down. So bake another 6 to 8 minutes. We'll set that for 6. And then it says large pan. So I'm gonna let you know 4 pans so far. And a cutting board and a knife, measuring cups, measuring spoons, a fork, scissors, whatever else that is. Yeah, spatula. Yes. All right, guys. It says heat 1 tablespoon. We just eyeball when it comes to
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
in a large saucepan.
17,
So
18, 19.
if they would have said large to begin with, it said medium large. So I went with like a medium large, not extra big.
Guys,
my small one.
I forgot this was like part 2.
And so this is a whole new pan I'm having to use. I guess I could have used one if we would have sauteed the meat in here, but I should have read all the instructions.
But still the same day. That's why I'm wearing the same
Okay, so
clothes.
1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large saucepan. Second large saucepan for, okay. Over medium heat, add rainbow carrots.
Rainbow carrots. Please. The last ball. My favorite.
And what did we do while the phone was off? We washed our hands and cleaned the counters, right?
What?
We washed our hands and cleaned the counters. Did you
Before
tell them?
that,
That's what. Tell them what we did while the phone was off.
we. What do we do again? I
Cleaned the
forgot.
counters and washed our hands.
We cleaned the counters and washed our hands.
All right, pour that in here.
In here?
Yep, that's what it says.
With the onions?
Nope, in the saucepan.
Oh. Oh no, I need a fork.
It's okay. There you go.
I need to like
you
spread them
can
out.
scurry that around. All right, and shallots. Here, grab the shallots.
I call them onions.
Well, they're not the same. Once again,
Can I mix it?
grab the salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Now what do I do?
Cha cha cha. Okay, that's enough salt.
Now pepper?
Yeah, you gotta really give it all it's got.
I'm not very good on the pepper, but I'm really good.
Yeah, she's good. Don't. Girl.
Can I
All right.
stir it?
5 to 8 minutes. We'll be back.
I thought the show was called that.
Go. You're crazy. Okay, so I lied. We couldn't have used one pan. It says in that pan, we have to return this pan to heat. And then in that, we have to add our veggie stock and our cream cheese. All right, so we got this.
Okay.
There's a slit, so that makes
This is a long bake.
it is, and a lot of dishes.
Yes.
Pour that in there. In here. Go down. Don't make a mess. Yep. There's our chives. Veggie stock concentrate. Careful, baby. Cream cheese.
Concentrating.
Can you do this?
Cream cheese! Wait, yes.
Get it in there. And then two tablespoons of water.
Mama, I'm gonna mix the cream cheese.
Not with the knife.
That's good. Cream cheese is kind of like butter.
And we whisk it. So trade me. That's enough.
Whiskey.
Slow.
Can I try?
Just like that. Of course you can. Okay, this is cooked. Our carrots and chives. Nope, our carrots and shallots. And so now it says add our kale. And our peas.
I bet we're almost done. Are we?
Yeah.
This is a lot of bacon.
And 1 tablespoon of butter.
Whoa.
That's about what I have. Softened on our counter butter.
Can I mix that now?
Hang on. And 1 tablespoon of water. I thought that said water. I'm a skimmer, so I miss so much. Crazy. Okay. And so, kale, peas, butter, water, cooks 2 to 3 minutes or until kale wilts, stirring occasionally. And then in this one, it says, return pan used for pork stovetop. Chives, cream cheese, and stock concentrate. 2 tablespoons of water, stir to combine. Bring to a simmer, cook 1 to 2 minutes or until sauce is thickened and cream cheese. Stir occasionally. Season with salt and pepper to taste. That looks good, huh? Trade me. Swap. One, I just need to fold the kale. All right, so we'll be back in 2 to 3 minutes.
I want to guys show you my new look. Ow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, guys. That's pretty good. A little drizzle of this.
That's my new look. And then I'm going back to normal. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Da! Ta-da! This is a fair messy soup. I'm going to stir some soup.
Please.
Not until you say the magic word.
Please is the magic word.
Yep. We're going to push the...
All right, we got it plated.
Protect the snow.
I have a couple of picky eaters, so I didn't go crazy with the veggies. That's mine because I like veggies. And then, so we'll come back and give you an update on how tasty it is.